Hello friends, welcome to the channel Public Awareness. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a subscribe button so that we can help our viewers to subscribe to our channels while viewing our videos. After this subscribe button, there will be no need for our viewers to come to our channel's homepage in order to subscribe to our channel. Only thing the viewers need to do is whenever the subscribe button will be presented while viewing our videos, the viewers will have to click on that subscribe button. Then the subscribe button click will redirect them to one confirmation page where after giving the confirmation the viewer will have the subscription to our channels. So in order to create subscribe button, only one thing we need, that is subscription link associated with the particular channel. Then from where we will get the subscription link. So we can get the subscription link by adding some parameters to our channels URL or link. Okay, so in order to find where we can get our channel's URL or link, we'll move to our next slide, and in next slide we'll learn to create a subscribe button. Okay, let us move to the next slide. First, I need to log in to my YouTube channel. So let me log in to my YouTube channel. It seems I have already logged into YouTube. Now I will move to my channel. Now I have landed at the home page of my channel. Next thing is I have to find out what is the channel URL or link. For that I need to go to the address bar. So this is the address bar, and here we have the channel's URL or link. For other people it may be of different type. So for me it is channel, then channel ID. For other people this may appear a bit different, but the entire thing represents the channel URL or link. Once we have the channel URL or link, then what we can do, we have to create subscribe link associated with this channel. So for that we need to add some parameter with this URL or link. Then what parameter we need to add? So let me add the parameter. It is question mark, then sub underscore confirmation equals to 1. So this is the subscription link associated with the channel. Now we have to confirm whether this is the proper link or it is a broken link or anything else. So for that what we can do, we have to copy this. Then we have to open new tab, then we have to paste here and just enter. Okay, now one pop-up has come and the pop-up is messaging us whether you want to subscribe to public awareness channel or not. So then need to click on subscribe. Here some error is coming because you may not subscribe to yourself. This is as per the policy of YouTube. If others had clicked subscribe, then he or she would have completed the subscription process. So now it seems whatever link we used, that link is perfect, and this is the link for the subscribe link associated with this channel, and we can make use of this link, and by making use of this link we'll create one subscribe button. Then let us move how to create one subscribe button. For that I have one video, then I'll go to a new slide. Now let me copy the URL subscription link so that we can make use of it later. Okay, now we'll create one subscribe button image. So from where we'll get that image? In open source Google, that image is available. But while choosing any image from open source, we should make note of whether the image is copyright protected or not. If it is copyright protected, then we should not use this image. Let me open Google image. So image dot google.com. Now search subscribe image. We need PNG image. Here we see a number of subscribe images. So we will choose one with the transparent background. So it seems this will fit to our need. Now what we need to do? We have to crop this image because this we don't need. Only we need is this red portion. So for that we have to crop this. So to crop we have the snipping tool. Now we have cropped the image. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll copy it and use in our slide. So we'll paste it here. Now we have the subscribe button image. But what next we need to do? We have to provide some text so that the text will let the viewer to know. We have to click here. Okay. So I'll create one small text box. I'll mention here the text, please click here. To subscribe. Let me reduce the font size of the text. I think this will be the perfect one. Now I'll reduce the dimension of the text box. Okay. Now another thing, here the color is, background color is red, and here the background color is something else. So if we keep this text here, then it may not look proper. So for that we have to change the background color. So we have to go to shape fill, then we have to make red background color. Again it's some edge is there, so we have to remove the edge. So for that we have to go shape effects, then soft edges, then we have to remove the edges. Now this text box is proper and we can place here. So see, the text is telling please click here to subscribe. Okay. So we'll just put at a proper place. Now the subscribe button image is ready. Next thing what we have to do is we have to link that image with this subscription link. So for that what we need to do? For that we have to go to insert, we have to add some action. So there is two things are there, one is click, one is over. So we want the subscribers to click on that image, so we'll choose the mouse click. Okay. Before that let me copy the URL. Now same thing, insert, then action, mouse click, hyperlink, then we have to choose URL, then we have to give the URL, that is the subscription link. Now we have done. Now action has been associated with this image. So how you will know? If you hover your mouse over this image, then you will see one pop-up. See, some white color, it is showing the subscription link. It seems our image has been linked to that subscription link. But how to test whether it is working or not? Because if we click right now, nothing will happen, because the action will be activated during slideshow mode only. So now we have to go to slideshow mode. Now if I am clicking, it is redirecting me to subscribe the channel. Okay, if you click, then error message is coming, because I have already told you may not subscribe to yourself. For others it will definitely work. Now so far we have created a subscribe button, and we have linked that subscribe button to the subscription link, and that subscribe button is also working fine. So now we'll add some look and feel aspect. Means we will put one hand symbol, and that hand symbol will prompt the user while watching the video to click here. So let us put one hand symbol and do some animation. So for that, what we can do, we have to insert one image. Okay, we have some stock 3D models are there. From there we'll choose one hand symbol. Here so many symbols are there. Okay, so we'll choose this one. The dimension of this image is a bit larger, so we need to reduce its dimension so that it will look proper. Slowly I am reducing the dimension of this image. Now it seems it is of proper dimension, so that we can use it. Okay, we'll keep here. Now we'll add some animation so that it will prompt the viewer to click here. So I clicked on this image, then clicked on animation, then selected float in, then that animation will start from beginning. So I have to choose start with previous. Then we have to add some effect, and with respect to timing, we have to make the duration a bit slower so that it will be visible properly. Then we'll repeat the animation until end of the slide. Now we have added animation. Now this link we don't need, so we'll delete it. Now it seems everything we have done. Now only we need to check whether whatever subscribe button we have created, whether it is working or not, whether the animation is working or not, and how the animation is looking. Now I'll go to slideshow mode. Here some slow network is there. Okay. Now this is the slideshow mode. Now you are able to see the animation. See how that hand is coming and prompting the viewer to click here to subscribe. Now what the viewer will do, the viewer will click here, and now the viewer will be redirected to one window where it is prompting the viewer to subscribe. Okay, then the viewer will click on subscribe. Okay, so this is how we can create one subscribe button, and we can give our viewers an option to subscribe to our channel while viewing our videos. Friends, in the last slide we saw how to create one basic subscribe button so that we can let our viewers to subscribe to our channels while viewing our videos. Actually, this is a very basic subscribe button. If you want to add any better design or anything else, you can do that. So thanks you all for watching this video. If you people like this video, please comment, please like, and please subscribe.